Hi Mom, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to change a lock using only one tool. This tool. Okay? Open the door. Twist the lock so the knob is not obscuring the screws. Set to work on the screws with your shaky fingers. One, two, and that's it. The lock comes off. It's a really simple device. Turns, and there's a little key set up in here that turns a D-shaped post that sticks through a D-shaped hole in the bolt. Take out the bolt if you want. I mean, this is not necessary to change a lock, but if you get a different brand, it is. I think Quickset is probably the most common brand in my experience, but there are others out there. Okay, so now you have the deadbolt in your hand. Very simple again. See? Simple mechanism. Okay, this is the final step. Stick the D-shaped post through the hole. Make sure the lock is level. Fit the post through the other hole. Open the lock and refit the screws. Alright, this is going pretty well up to this point. The lock twisted. I swear to God, this is really simple, but I was up all night, so I'm probably making it look more difficult than it is. Nonetheless, this is the only tape I'm going to do. And Bob's your uncle. So easy, a child of 5 could do it. Now the procedure for replacing the doorknob is exactly the same. 2 screws, 2 screws, and it all just fits together like a puzzle. It's only 3 pieces. Screws can be a little recalcitrant. Alright, there. Now either give your landlord a key or don't. It's up to you. Thanks.